Good morning, student. I hope you are very well at home and you are trying to prepare social science as for periodical test first. So, dear student, I have explained each and every topic of chapter number 15. Chapter number 15 as concerned pollution as air pollution, water pollution, main reason and its ill effects. I have discussed this, but today I am going to start as noise pollution. I hope you are reading very well, you are studying very well. So today noise pollution. What is noise pollution? Dear student, you know, one type of sound is wanted. Wanted means you want to listen. Means it is favorable. It is adoptable. But one type of sound you listen that it is not wanted. Means unwanted sound. Like noise. And very high pitched sound. Like vehicle sounds, truck, train, aeroplane sound. So all they are unwanted, means it is not hearable. It is not hearable to you. It is not wanted, unwanted. So this type of sound, if you listen, that is not favorable for you, that is not wanted for you. You are not liking that sound. The sound is at high pitch. So you can say this sound has ill effect on you. Means you are not liking this sound. So this is noise. If you are listening, if you are hearing music, so music is set on the some type of formula on the music sections, on the platform of music sets, and really many times that music adaptable, but some music not adaptable. Many people listen as soft music, slow music, but many children as well as younger also means try to hear as fast music. So dear student, sounds may be liked by someone and same sounds may be not liked by someone, other one. So you can say in the average form what is noise pollution. Means as average form, as taking average platform, which type of sound is not favorable for us, not wanted for us, means unwanted sound. So this condition is called noise pollution. If the sound is unwanted. If the sound is unwanted. Unwanted means you never try to listen it, or you are running away. You are running away for this sound because sound is high pitched. You feel as it is noise. So in this condition, noise, you feel noise. So it is noise pollution. In surroundings of you, you can see as music sets play, someone plays music sets, as in the any types of parties, also music sets playing. Means people use music sets as playing some songs. So you also hear some songs may be favorable and some songs may be not favorable. Means you are not liking. So this type of music is called noise pollution. So dear students, noise pollution is very harmful. It comes from vehicle, musical instruments, flying aircraft, from railway locomotive engines, locomotive factories, as from construction. If the construction works going on in any cities, like for metro rail and construction of buildings, also it comes noise. Barking animals, thunderstorm, you know thunderstorm, when rain falls, also thunderstorm sometimes comes. So also you are afraid of, so that thunderstorm also unwanted sound. It is also unwanted sound. Loudspeaker, etc. What are the effect of noise pollution? Effect means it makes the people irritable. It makes the people irritable. Irritable means such a condition of the brain or thinking. In this condition, mind is upset. So irritable condition. The person may be get angry as so fast as in the short time. The person may get angry. Means he or she irritates on any types of activities. It also decreases deficiency of a mind. Deficiency of a mind means working process of a mind. Also, it is decreased. And concentration also decreases. Tiredness also tiredness also increases. Blood pressure and headache also increases. Temporary or permanent deafness also may comes. You know deafness? Deafness means you can't hear in this condition. So high pitched sound, it is very harmful. So there is that effect of the noise pollution is very harmful really, and any person may come in the position of deafness. Also permanent deafness happens. Quality of crafts also may be down. Buildings, bridges, monuments are also maybe come to in dangerous form, because sound has frequency. In higher classes you will study what is frequency. Each object has its frequency. If the frequency is matched to the outer sounds, that buildings, that bridge, you know, that bridge, that building may be fall down, may be distracted by the sound. So sound is also the form of energy. So dear student, page number 79 it is given, and you can try to learn. And page number 80 it is given, worksheet number 15, you try to do. For today's class, thank you very much.